We just sold a 36-acre mountain on the Ohio River on US 52. From the top of the mountain, you can actually see for miles panoramic views of the Ohio River. Absolutely gorgeous on top. Primarily a whitetail property, deer hunting property, place to camp, recreate, have fun, maybe ride some four-wheelers, that kind of activity. If you know of anyone, if you own land yourself that would serve maybe for whitetail type purposes, some woodlands, cedar thickets, water, creeks, pond, food plot areas, we want to talk to you. We've got a list of buyers actively looking, coming off a deer season, actively wanting to purchase properties from multiple states, wanting to buy in Ohio because we're known for our big genetics and trophies. And so if you own land that fits this description or know someone who does, we want to talk to them. It will bring a premium price right now.